I just got something in the mail that I have been super excited for. It's the SkinDiva Labs 5-piece mini glow getter kit. And look at how cute this box is. I dug into it a little bit, so it wasn't like this when I got it, but it's pink, it's so cute. And now for the good part. The 5 products came in this little bag right here, and I'm gonna show you some of them. So first up, we have the Fountain of Firm Cream. We've got the Dewy Herbal Cleanser, 7 herbal extracts, 1 fruit enzyme, 1 vitamin, and 0 toxins. Love that. The Blue Velvet Day Night Mask. I've been so excited to try this one. It has methylene blue in it. I think that's how you say it. And supposedly it outperforms retinol, so I'm excited to see that. We've got the Everything Lift Serum. It's got NAD boosters and more antioxidants, and of course 0 toxins. Is that one? And we've got the Glow Dewar Serum Toner. I'm so excited about this one. It's got probiotics in it, so it helps balance good and bad bacteria on your skin. So really excited to try that. Oh, and more goodies. I'm just so excited to try